Good morning, students. In the last few class, I have discussed the mirror and the lens, different types of the spherical lens, the image formation of the lens. Do you know our human eye is also a type of lens? This lens is known as crystalline convex lens. Whatever we have studied in the previous chapter, how this will help us to study the human lens. God has given many sensitive, important organs. Out of that, human eye is the most wonderful and sensitive organs. Because without the eye, our whole world will be blind. That we cannot see anything without the eye. So eye is the most important gifted organs by the God. Now let us explain first structure of the human eye and how it works with the help of the diagram. Mainly human eye is constructed by main two parts. One is retina, another is the cornea. These are the main two important parts of the human eye. Beside the retina and cornea, you can see the diagram in your book, page number 186. There are many level diagram is given in your human eye. One by one I am going to explain you. This part, bulging part, is known as cornea, and backside this part is known as retina. Behind the cornea there are two irises behind the cornea, and the central part is the pupil. Two types of the fluid gyrus present in the human eye. One is aqueous humor, another is the Victor's humors. These are help eyeball to rotate. Now see how I can see you and how you can see me. In front of the eye, when an object is placed, suppose I have kept this nib of the pencil. This is an object. First image, here I am drawing. This is an object. First of all, light fall on the object. After that, it is reflected by the object and entering on the cornea through the pupil. This iris is controlling the amount of light. If very deep light, then it will be contract, and it will be the, if there will be the maximum light, then iris will be just move both the sides so that the space will be more. After that, this image of the object formed on the lens, human lens. This image they are getting on the retina. The retina is keeping the image approximately 1/16 second. Now you just see this optic nerve. Optic nerve help to give the image formation, whatever the image form on the retina. This message they are giving to the brain by the optic nerve. And brain is given the power of recognition. Beside that, one more important point, the ciliary muscles. When I have explained you the lens, you know the lens have a fixed focal length. Every lens have a fixed focal length. But human eye, the crystalline types of the convex lens, which do not have a fixed focal length. It can increase or decrease the focal length according to the requirement. This increasement or decreasement of the focal length can be done by the help of the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles are helping to increase the or decrease the focal length so that the permanent and sharp image can form on the lens. Again I am reviewing. Any object kept in front of the human eye, light falls on the object After that it is reflected and entering into the human eye. Short review. Then this image is forming on the retina for 1/16 second approximately. Retina is passing the information through the optic nerve in the brain, and brain is given the power of recognitions of the object. So today you will read the construction and working of the human eye. Thank you.